Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make scallion oiled chicken, then so can you. Scallion oiled chicken, or green onion oiled chicken, is a cold side dish that's usually best served alongside more elaborate meals. Here we've served it alongside our wonton soup and our bean sprout cold noodle salad. We're going to begin with a pot of water on the stove. To the water we're going to add 2 chicken thighs and 2 chicken legs. Then we're also going to add a couple slices of ginger and a few larger pieces of green onion. Bring the water up to a boil and then let the chicken cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. When it's done, you're going to take the chicken from the hot water and immediately put it in an ice bath. This is to stop the cooking process immediately so that your chicken doesn't become overcooked. When they're completely cool, you're going to want to debone the chicken and place the meat on a plate with high edges. This is to ensure that the plate will be able to hold all the sauce we're going to add to the chicken. Then we're going to prepare a 1/4 cup of each diced green onions, diced garlic, and diced ginger. Then, in a small pan, we're going to heat about 1/2 cup of oil over medium to high heat. Firstly, we're going to add our 1/4 cup of ginger to the oil. We're going to let the ginger heat until it starts to bubble in the oil. This will make sure that the ginger's zingier flavor is cooked into the oil. With the ginger bubbling in the oil, then we're going to add the 1/4 cup of green onions and the 1/4 cup of garlic. Reduce the heat to a medium flame and let everything cook together until it turns to a golden brown. If you want it spicier, this is the point where you can also add some optional Sichuan peppercorns. When your ginger and garlic is golden brown, pour the oil into a heat-safe bowl and set it aside to let it cool. In another bowl, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And to the oyster sauce, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix the soy sauce and oyster sauce together thoroughly, and then pour it over the cold chicken. Then you can retrieve your oil mixture of ginger, garlic, and onion, give it a stir, and then add it to the chicken as well. And finally, you can top it off with a few more freshly diced green onions. And there you have it, scallion oiled chicken. It's an easy and convenient side dish that you can make well before your main dish. Because it's meant to be served cold, it doesn't matter if you have to let it sit aside for a little while you're preparing your main dishes. If you tried this dish, please let us know how it went for you down in the comments. If you enjoyed this quick little video, please consider hitting the like button. And we publish a new video every week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, everyone!